Hey there, I'm Adam from Honcho. Welcome to our video on keyword research for Google Ads. If you're new to Google Ads, you might have heard some people talking about keyword research, so let's break it down for you in some simple terms. Keyword research is all about figuring out what words people use to search for things online. And for Google Ads, it's super important because it helps you find your target audience. But you might be wondering, how exactly do you do keyword research? Here are a few different ways you can do it. Google's Keyword Planner is a free tool that Google provides to help you find new keywords and estimate their search volume. You can use this tool to identify keywords that are relevant to your business, check their competition level, and get ideas for ad groups. To find your Keyword Planner, go into your Google Ads account and go up to Tools and Settings. When you found that, go over to Planning and select Keyword Planner. And here you'll be able to discover new keywords or get search volumes and forecasts. Next up, competitor analysis is one of the best ways to do keyword research. You can use tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs to see what keywords your competitors are targeting, or use their websites to find more related terms beyond your own website. This can give you some ideas on how to improve your own ads and stay ahead of the competition. Another way we perform competitor analysis is by going on Google, searching for your competitor, and clicking the three dots you see there, and then we would click See More Ads from this advertiser. This should bring up a backlog of previous ads they have ran to give us some inspiration for the future. Finally, we can use brainstorming. You can always do some good old-fashioned brainstorming to come up with new keyword ideas. Think about your business, your products, your target audience. What words would they use to describe what you're offering? What problems are they trying to solve? Write down as many ideas as you can and use the other tools we mentioned to refine your list. In conclusion, keyword research is essential for any Google Ads campaign. By understanding what keywords your target audience is searching for and how they're using them, you can create ads that are more relevant, engaging, and effective. So make sure to do your research before launching a Google Ads campaign and keep refining your approach over time to get the best results. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.